Got your Monzo card blocked? Panic stations, right? 1 minute you're tapping away, living your best contactless life, and the next, nothing. Card declined. Your heart sinks. You try again, just in case it was a fluke. Nope. Still declined. Then the dreaded notification pops up, your card has been blocked. Your mind races. What did I do? Is my money gone? How am I going to pay for my groceries/train ticket/dinner date? It's a scenario no one wants to face, especially when you rely on your Monzo card for everything. Monzo, with its sleek app, instant notifications, and user-friendly interface, has become the go-to banking solution for millions. It's convenient, it's modern, and for the most part, it's incredibly reliable. Which is precisely why a blocked card can feel like such a catastrophic event. But here's the good news, while it might feel like the end of the world, it's usually not. And more importantly, there are clear, actionable steps you can take to get things sorted. In this video, we're going to walk through everything you need to know about a blocked Monzo card. We'll delve into the most common reasons why your card might get blocked, from seemingly innocent mistakes to more serious security concerns. We'll then provide a step-by-step guide on what to do the moment you realize your card is blocked, how to contact Monzo support, and what information you'll need to provide to get your account unfrozen. We'll also cover proactive measures you can take to prevent your card from being blocked in the first place, and discuss what to do if you're abroad and facing this issue. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with all the knowledge and confidence to handle a blocked Monzo card like a pro, ensuring minimal disruption to your financial life. So, let's start with the big question, why did my Monzo card get blocked? It's important to understand that Monzo, like all banks, has robust security systems in place designed to protect your money. These systems are constantly monitoring for unusual activity. While this is incredibly beneficial for preventing fraud, it can sometimes lead to your card being temporarily blocked due to a false alarm. One of the most frequent reasons for a blocked card is suspicious activity. This is a broad category, but it essentially means that Monzo's automated systems have detected something out of the ordinary that suggests your card might be at risk. This could include a sudden change in your spending patterns. For example, if you suddenly make a large number of high-value transactions after a period of low activity, or if you make purchases in unusual locations. Imagine you usually spend £20 to £50 on groceries and a few subscriptions, and then suddenly there's a £500 transaction at a jewelry store in a different city. This could trigger an alert. Another common trigger is traveling abroad without notifying Monzo. While Monzo is generally very good at recognizing legitimate international transactions, a sudden string of purchases in a new country without any prior indication can sometimes raise a red flag. This is less common now as Monzo's systems have become more sophisticated, but it's still a possibility. If you're suddenly spending in Thailand after only ever using your card in the UK, the system might see it as potentially fraudulent. Multiple incorrect PIN attempts will almost certainly lead to your card being blocked. This is a crucial security measure. If someone is trying to guess your PIN, blocking the card after a few failed attempts prevents unauthorized access to your account. Usually, 3 incorrect attempts will do it. Similarly, incorrect CVC/CVV attempts when making online purchases can also cause a block. The CVC, card verification code, or CVV, card verification value, is the 3 or 4-digit security code on the back of your card. If someone is repeatedly entering the wrong code, it signals an attempt at fraudulent online activity. Unusual or high-value transactions that are out of character for your typical spending can also trigger a block. We touched on this with suspicious activity, but it's worth highlighting again. A single large purchase that is significantly outside your usual spending habits might be flagged, especially if it's for a type of good or service you don't typically buy. Less common, but still possible, is administrative reasons. This could be anything from a technical glitch to an issue with your account verification that Monzo needs to address. Sometimes, if Monzo needs to update your details or verify something, they might temporarily block your card as a precaution. Finally, and most seriously, your card could be blocked due to suspected fraud. This is when Monzo genuinely believes that your card details have been compromised and are being used by someone else. In such cases, they will block the card immediately to prevent further unauthorized transactions. This is where Monzo's real-time fraud detection systems truly shine, protecting your funds even if your physical card is stolen or your details are skimmed. Okay, so your card is blocked. Don't panic. Here's your immediate action plan. Step 1. Check your Monzo app. This is always your first port of call. Monzo is fantastic at providing real-time notifications. When your card is blocked, you'll almost certainly receive an in-app notification explaining why. It might say something like your card has been temporarily blocked due to unusual activity, or your card has been blocked after too many incorrect PIN attempts. The app will often also provide clear instructions on what to do next. Sometimes, you might even be able to unblock it yourself directly through the app if it's a temporary security measure. Look for a prompt to unfreeze or unblock your card, or to verify a recent transaction. Step 2. Review your recent transactions. Take a good look at your transaction history in the app. Do you see any purchases you don't recognize? This is crucial for determining if actual fraudulent activity has occurred. If you spot anything suspicious, make a note of it. This information will be vital when you speak to Monzo support. Even if you don't see anything obvious, it's a good habit to scrutinize your recent activity when dealing with a blocked card. Step 3. Attempt to unblock via the app, if prompted. As mentioned, for certain types of blocks, especially those triggered by unusual but legitimate activity, Monzo might allow you to unblock your card directly within the app. This usually involves verifying a recent transaction or confirming that you made a particular purchase. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully. This is the quickest and easiest way to resolve the issue if it's an option. Step 4. Contact Monzo support. If you can't unblock it through the app, or if the app doesn't give you clear instructions, it's time to reach out to Monzo's customer support. This is where Monzo truly shines with its 24/7 in-app chat support. To contact them, open the Monzo app. Go to the Help section. You will usually find this by tapping on your profile picture or navigating through the main menu. Select Contact Us or Chat with Us. This will open a chat window with a Monzo customer service representative. When you chat with them, be prepared to provide your full name, your date of birth, the last 4 digits of your Monzo card number, details of the last few transactions you made. This helps them verify your identity and understand the context around the block. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.